Welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Push Tech. We want to quickly see this Eutelsat 21B at 21.5E. There are a lot of channels, there are a lot of frequencies, but we're going to try any of this. Now 21.5B is not a new satellite, but I think they have two sports channels for those who are sports lovers. So I would like us to track it. I also want you to go out there and track it, irrespective of where you are, your country. For those of you in Southern Africa, you may need a bigger dish, maybe 1.8. For those of you in East Africa, maybe 90 cm. For those of you in West Africa, 90 cm or 60 cm. Then for those of you in Northern Africa, 60 cm will be okay. So we want to see 21.5E. Now look at this dish. This dish is pointing at 7E. It is at 7 east. So if you are looking at 21 should move to, I told you that counting from 0, start moving like this. If this is 0 and it's 7, here should be 10, here should be 20, here should be what? Maybe 21. So look at that dish over there. That is DSTV, it's a pay TV, 36 degree east. Why this one up there is SLTV, 51.5 degree east. So definitely from the look of things, C7 for 7 east, we have to move it to this place. Then I told you that it is 7, comparing 7 degree and 21 degree. 7 degree is lower in numbers, so why 21 degree is higher than 7 degree. So higher degree in numbers take lower elevation. So if we move it to this place, since 7E is lower and it's facing up, the 21 should come to this place and face down. So stay tuned, we continue. Okay, so this is the setup. You can see this is the setup. Look at 36E there. Let me come back a bit. You can see the elevation. See, look at the skew. This is 7 o'clock, or you can bring it to this side and make it like a 5 or 4 o'clock. Please take note of this, because this thing was very, very tricky. It took me a lot of time before I could get it. It's a bit this side, while the other DSTV is inside, and this one is higher. The elevation is higher than that of DSTV, because DSTV has higher degree compared to 21. So higher degree take lower elevation, lower degree take higher elevation. So that's how it is. So just hold on, we continue from let me get my tracker, then I'll test run it and see how it works. So hold, my cameraman, hold it. So let's see. A quick one. So this is the frequency I used. This is the first one, 11,618, vertical 27,500. So let me see if I can get it. Let me see 21E. So we've got the signal. You can see the signal. So let's do a scan and see how it goes. Let me scan. Which one is blind scanned? So hold on while I do the scan. It's coming up. Just hold on, please. Don't pause. Don't fast track the video. Just hold on. 21.5E. Want to confirm the number of stations. So irrespective of the location you are, if you use the bigger dish like 1.8 or 2.5 or 3 meter dish, I believe you get a bigger you get more channels than when somebody like use another person use 90 cm or 60 cm. So let's just hold on and see. I want to confirm how many channels are. Okay, so I've finished the scan. I finished the scan. I finished the scanning and you can see what it's showing. All is screen for me. So I want to see if I have spots here. I have here spots. Not showing. I'm trying to get the sports channel. I got how many channels here? I got about 36. No, those ones are showing. I'm coming. Let me quickly go through it again. No, no. Let me off it. Okay, so I'm just trying to go through it and see how many channels I have. This is what I have. 22 channels. But somebody said they got 40, so it was bigger deals give you better, more channels. So go through there and see and scan. See the sport. There are sport channels. You can see I've confirmed that there's sport channels. But in Arabic, I don't know whether it's live sports, but they are. So you can go out there and they are tracking. Bye bye.